In this video, we witness a truly unsettling scene as a man, dressed like Michael Myers, slowly approaches the front door of someone's home. Let's hope this is nothing more than a Halloween prank, and we don't actually have to worry about Michael Myers wandering around at night. Still, it's undeniably creepy to witness. Sometimes, the people closest to you can bring the most tension into your home, like a neighbor. In this upcoming clip, we witness just how extreme things can get. A woman is captured on camera repeatedly banging on the doorbell, demanding that the door be opened, showing just how intense neighbor disputes can become.
Oh, open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door, unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is
if
something wrong.
made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside.
She insisted that her neighbor's cat was wandering in her yard and around her house and demanded it be stopped at once. While there's likely a more reasonable way to address this issue, the doorbell camera captures the entire interaction, showing that sometimes it's wiser not to open the door when someone is acting irrationally. Doorbell cameras not only assist homeowners in securing their property but also support law enforcement and community members in keeping others safe. In this video, we witness a frightening scene where a woman, seeking help, frantically bangs on the door as she's attacked by a man. Fortunately, thanks to the recorded footage, the woman is now safe, and people have been alerted to the dangerous individual. This footage is truly chilling. In it, a man wearing a bandana and glasses is seen holding a weapon, seemingly intent on causing harm. When a resident asks who he is, the man claims he's simply searching for a lost dog.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, just wondered if you guys saw a lost puppy. He's a pit bull. Blue nose. I believe he came in your yard, but I don't want to look without your permission.
Fortunately, the homeowner didn't fall for it.
Hey, you at the wrong house, dog.
The man left and seemed to be using the same tactics on other people in the area. He was heavily disguised, so it's unlikely they'll be able to recognize or apprehend him. At the bottom of the screen, there's a white blur that looks eerily like a ghostly cat. Shortly after, an actual cat appears, and the homeowner steps outside, clearly puzzled. What do you think? Is it a ghost cat or something else entirely?